Hi guys, welcome back. Friday episode was quite interesting last night. We had loads of action in the house. We had loads of tears, some injuries, some fights. I have with me Kriti, who will tell us what was special about the episode.
Yes guys, it was full of all the drama and the high voltage drama which is needed in the Big Boss house. और मेहमान साहब आपको क्या लगता है स्वामी कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं रो रहे हैं आजकल? एवरी डे वी आर seeing him crying, you know, in the show. So what do you have to say on that? Like yesterday.
See if एक episode में भी if he doesn't shed his crocodile tears, I don't think the episode is complete. Exactly what happened in last night's episode as well. He shed tears this time for his बेटी Priyanka Jagga. What happened?
Yes, so there was a swimming pool scene जहाँ पर Lopa and Nithiba were seen in a sexy avatar in the house, maybe for the first time, right?
Nithiba for the first time.
First time for sure. Lopa is before. So उन लोगों ने मजाक में प्रियंका को पुल किया वाटर में, but she fell and she got hurt. We don't know she genuinely got hurt or not.
I don't think.
But later, first she did the drama, and then to add on to that, स्वामी जी came like in a furious mode that you know मेरी बेटी को तुम लोगों ने चोट लगा दिया है, उसको चोट लग गया है.
The funny thing was he was not even around when that accident happened.
Yes.
And even before we could understand that if Priyanka Jagga has actually been hurt, Swami Om came crying, howling literally कि मेरी बेटी को तुम लोगों ने टारगेट किया, उसको चोट लगाई. So that was really funny.
Yeah.
And then these two girls were trying to kind of Lopa and Nithiba.
Actually, it was not intentional either. So we don't know about it. But second accident हुआ again घर में कल, and it was during the captaincy task, which was held between Manveer and Gaurav. But you want to shed any light on that?
Yeah, so there was this task where they had to paint this canvas. The two of them were given colors, and Lopa was supposed to judge the task. And by the end of it, they had to see that whose color dominated the canvas more. I think Manveer got a little more
into the task.
Yeah, Gaurav was saying that let's play it really easy.
And he was playing very calm and cool.
Yeah, Gaurav was calm, but then we know Manveer is quite competitive. He ended up being so competitive that he slipped really hard. He banged his head on the ground and got very badly hurt. I think he got some stitches as well.
Also, exactly.
So that gave a little. It changed the entire environment in the house. Yeah, and
there were tears and tears all over the house.
Yeah,
right? So
Lopa got really emotional. She said that I don't know how to judge this task anymore. But then, given the benefit of doubt, and because Gaurav, he just ended up winning the task because she couldn't give that to Manveer. But then after that, the entire emotional outburst in the house was something was seen. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, actually, उसके बाद गौरव जो है he is in a negative light in the house probably because people are saying कि in spite कि वो he fell, but Manveer actually जो भी accident हुआ it happened because of him himself.
Yeah.
Didn't कि Gaurav pushed him or anything happened, but Gaurav is in a negative light now.
Yeah.
And maybe today आज का जो show होगा weekend का वार with Salman Khan obviously, so Gaurav will be a target.
Yeah,
and people
Gaurav will also say that no offense, but then Manveer's highly competitive spirit actually landed him in that situation. I mean, he is a little guilty that he said I didn't want the captaincy task to end it this way. But then Manveer की चोट देख के Mona, Manu, Lopa, Priyanka, a lot of people cried. A lot of people got emotional. कि why did you give so much more than 100% to the task? But I think that's the spirit. Manveer said कि मैं competitive हो जाता हूँ. So that was yesterday's episode. Today's weekend का वार. Salman Khan is coming back. There are evictions in the house. Rahul, Jason, Elena, and Bani have been nominated. But there will be another surprise in the house.
We have an exclusive information from the house that Papa, he's not nominated for the week, but he is getting evicted this week.
Yeah.
And for that you really have to wait and watch the show कि क्या होता है and how he's getting evicted.
So Swami Om coming out of the house, how will it change the dynamics of the house? How will it add or subtract to the ratings of the house, of the show? That we'll have to wait and watch. Stay tuned for Saturday's episode tonight. We'll come back with the review tomorrow.